How to dramatically increase your ROI. In simple words, return on investment, ROI, consists of a financial metric that evaluates how much money was earned on a business investment or as a percentage of the original cost. Applied to email marketing, here are some ideas to use it to increase ROI. Grow your email list. Use sign-up forms on your websites to gather new subscribers. Make them an offer they can't refuse. Don't ask for much personal information. Insert forms on your social media sites and optimize your landing page forms are all ways to use email marketing to generate leads. Segment your list. When you segment your email list, you can speak more directly with each of your subscribers to give them what they want to receive, and in that process make them buyers. There are some effective ways to segment your email list in addition to geography, demographics, and behavioral data. You can use segmentation based on subscriber engagement to identify your most active subscribers and focus on them. Segmentation by website behavior, segmentation by where customers shop, and segmentation by form abandoners. Keep your list clean. Keeping a clean email list is important for email marketing to maintain your reputation. You should check frequently to see how engaged your subscribers are. If they are not engaged, you could try to reactivate them or remove them from the list, so you'll have a list of just the people who are interested in what you offer. Test email performance and track the results. You can do A/B tests of delivered messages, calls to action, and subject lines to learn how people react. After that, you can see what works best and what your audience will like, make the changes you need, and improve ROI in the process. Make sure everything is mobile friendly. There are a lot of people that use smartphones to read emails. More than 50% of emails in the world are opened on a mobile device, so that's why it's important that your campaigns are optimized for mobile. Your subscribers will delete emails that don't display correctly in their smartphones. Use autoresponders. Email marketing offers you the tools to automate your efforts to make money even while you sleep. One of those tools that will make your work easier are autoresponders. You can schedule campaigns to send emails like purchase and shipping confirmations, sign-up confirmations, birthday emails, newsletters, follow-up messages, and more. Celebrate anniversaries. Take advantage of any special date to send a special email. Celebrate their birthday or their anniversary as a customer and make them a special offer or maybe a discount. This is a big opportunity to increase sales. Be as nice as possible. People like to do business with friends, so become a friend. Personalize messages, call them by name, and establish a friendlier atmosphere. You can also make surveys to gather opinions and preferences and maintain constant contact with them. If you do that, they will trust you and will become buyers. Provide value. If the emails you send provide valuable information to your readers, they will buy what you offer when they are ready. Offer useful content. The content you offer should provide something your readers can use, something that helps them solve a problem. You need to give an incentive to potential subscribers to actually register.